Hello, I am Jonda Beatty, a veteran professional organizer and owner of Time Space Organization since 2006. I want to introduce you to virtual organizing. Are you ready to downsize but don't know where to begin? Do you have piles of papers that just seem to keep growing? Do you find yourself walking away from hotspots in your home instead of addressing them? I love helping people who are organizationally challenged and are looking for help. Sometimes they only need a little help with a task that's just become overwhelming and they don't know where to start. And other times it can be a larger project that we conquer in small bites. Now I can help you without even being in your space, and we can work in shorter sessions. Well, now you ask, how does that work? During a phone call, I help you determine what you want to accomplish, develop your vision, and look at some of your challenges and some of your concerns. We brainstorm what tasks to work on and then develop a timeline of when the tasks will get done. Each session, I help you prioritize, become accountable, and keep you motivated. So you may wonder, would this really work for me? Certainly, if you can work independently and are motivated, but want some guidance and accountability. You realize that organizational help is important, but you're on a budget, and you're comfortable communicating electronically by phone, email, FaceTime, or Skype. Perhaps you have an unusual schedule. Maybe you work nights, or you have a schedule that's all over the place. The beauty of virtual organizing is that I only see what you want to show me, and I do not need to be in your home. If this sounds like a good plan to you, visit my website.